Hey Yelpers, my name is Ken. I'm the owner of Karma Carpet Cleaning. I know you guys are getting inundated with requests from every company underneath the sun here in Los Angeles, so I just wanted to make a quick video and show you the best way to not get ripped off on carpet cleaning. One, make sure the company that you hire has tons of reviews. It is so easy to create a Yelp page and get a bunch of fake reviews and then rip people off. So make sure that they have tons of reviews first. Second, ask what type of carpet cleaning it is. Is this dry carpet cleaning? Stay away from dry carpet cleaning. I'm just saying to stay away from that. Is it carpet cleaning with a portable unit? Because you don't want a cheap portable unit. Or is it carpet cleaning with a truck mount? And that is what you want. That is what we do. Truck mounts are very powerful. They use hot water and they use tons of vacuum so that way your carpets don't soak. Number three, ask about dry times. Ask about dry times because you want 4 to 6 hour dry times, not 8 to 12, definitely not 24, and run for the hills if they say 48 hours. That will destroy your carpets. Number four, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If they say $89.99 for 4 rooms in a hall, run. The name of the game with carpet cleaning is to give a low estimate and then go over and try to be some sly salesman and up that price up to what it should be. Google average cost of carpet cleaning in Los Angeles. You're gonna get about 25 cents a square foot. If that doesn't add up, know some funny business is going on. If you wanna hire a great company that does all the things I talked about, then hire us. Check out our reviews, check out our pictures, check out our YouTubes. We're a legit company. If you have any questions or any type of specific needs, give me a call anytime.